Students, so in today's session we are going to start with practical number 1D. We have already completed practical 1 ABC. I hope that you have understood. So let's start with the practical number 1D. In practical 1D we are having total 5 questions. First question is generate Fibonacci series. So let's start with the Fibonacci series. So to generate Fibonacci series, I have taken this as an interface, that is there is one click button and below the button I have taken one text box. So the number which you are going to enter into text box, till that number or that many numbers series is going to get calculated. Means suppose I have written 5 as a number. So in the logic I have taken 0 and 1 as a starting number, because as you all know that when we want to generate Fibonacci series we should have initially at least two numbers, because the addition of that numbers will generate the Fibonacci series. So other than this that two numbers, if I have entered 5 means 2 plus 5, that is 7 numbers series is going to get displayed. So the interface for the practical number D1 generate Fibonacci series is just take a button and text box from the toolbox, and this is your code. That is simply double click on button 1, that is click button. You will get this coding window, and within the coding window I have written the program for the Fibonacci series. So if you see the output, that is 0 and 1 in the code, I have initialized a equal to 0, b equal to 1, right? And then response dot write, we have written Fibonacci series. So Fibonacci series message is displayed. After second response dot write, we have written a plus tab space then b. So a is what? 0. So 0 is display, and b, that is 1. 1 is display. So Fibonacci series 0 1. This is your initial numbers which we have manually initialized. And after that we have entered 5. So if you notice 1 2 3 5 8, these 5 numbers are calculated, right? 5 means the number which we enter in a text box, that much numbers are calculated in a Fibonacci series. We will see the execution of this letter, but I hope you know the Fibonacci series, how it is generated. So initially we have taken 0 1, so 0 plus 1 1. After that take next to number, that is 1 plus 1 2. After that take next to number, that is 1 plus 2 3. Then 2 plus 3 5, and 3 plus 5 8. So like that series is generated. Now we will see the execution. So this is our program of Fibonacci series, that is your practical number DB. So first line is int a, b, c, and means you have declared this variable. As you all know that when we want to generate Fibonacci series, then at least we need starting two numbers. So for that purpose I have initialized a equal to 0, b equal to 1. You can take any number, but now I am taking 0 and 1 simple numbers, so that series will be easy to calculate. But if you want, you can take any other two numbers. Then within response dot write, I have displayed the message as Fibonacci series. So this is your first line of output, Fibonacci series. After Fibonacci series message, we have displayed a and value of a and b, that is within response dot write. Just remember one point here. Now in place of response dot write, I am going to use rw, because I want to explain so many programs, so it is not possible to write the entire program as it is. So in place of response dot write, I have used rw. So rw is nothing but response dot write. So with the help of response dot write, I have displayed the value of a, then slash t. Slash t is used to give tab space, and after that value of b will be displayed. So till this much line, what will be your output? Your output will be Fibonacci series, okay, and then value of a, that is nothing but, what is value of a? 0, and then 1 will be displayed. After that we have taken n equal to int 32 dot parse, that is this line, and int 32 dot parse text box 1 dot text, that is from text box number 1 we will take the value. So suppose the value of n equal to, I am considering as 8. So 8 means that much numbers are going to get generated. That is, now we are already having two numbers, that is 0 and 1, right? these 2 numbers are there. Other than that, we are now going to calculate 8 numbers. So total 10 numbers are going to display as a output. 2 already displayed, remaining 8 we are going to calculate with the help of this for loop. So in for loop, we have initialized I equal to 0, and then our condition is I less than n. So now what I have consider value of n as 8. So I is nothing but 8. So 0 less than 8, or less than 8 means till 7, that is 0 to 7, the loop is going to increment. So in first line, now let's start with the execution, actual execution. I equal to 0 we are having, then the condition we will check 0 less than 8, condition is true. After that what will happen? C equal to A plus B, that is 0 plus 1 equal to 0 1. After that response dot write, I have displayed the, that is RW is there, so value of C, that is 0 1, is going to get display here. 0 1 means the one value. Okay. After that A equal to B, that is A equal to, what is value of B? B is 1. So now value of A is 1, and B equal to C. C's value is 0 1, that is 1. So that we will write 1. So these two values we are having, and because of I plus plus, I was initially 0 but now it is 1. Again condition checking, 1 less than 8, condition is true. Then again C equal to A plus B. So now we are having these two values, that is 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Okay. And then we have response dot write. So again here 2 is going to display. Again the next line is A equal to B. So A equal to B. Now value of B is 1 and B equal to C. So B equal to 2. So new values are this. So 1 plus 2, next value going to display is 3. Again, so that is because of this, C equal to 1 plus 2, that is 3. And again same values are going to get calculated in further iteration. That is, now I will be 2, right? 2 less than 8, condition will be true. Then C equal to A plus B. So what is value of A? That is, after this what will happen? A equal to B, that is A is 2 and B is C, that is 3. So 2 plus 3, yeah, here what will happen? 2 plus 3. So that is nothing but 5. So 5 will get displayed. So in this manner your series is going to get displayed. I hope this program is clear to all. And till what? When I will become 8, the condition is going to get false, that is I less than, that is 8 less than 8, condition will be false. That time our program will stop. So this is execution for Fibonacci series.